Hey guys, Karla here with you again, helping you live lightly as part of COF's Council's Living Lightly program. As we continue on our gardening journey, we really need to try to make sure that we can maintain the yields from our veggie gardens and also maintain or improve our soil fertility wherever we can. And one easy way of doing this is by practicing something known as crop rotation. It's quite an old agricultural practice and it's used widely around the world, and it's basically about knowing what crop to follow with another crop, and also seasonally varying what we plant where in our gardens. It can be a little bit overwhelming to the beginners, okay, and it doesn't have to be too, fastidious or regimented. It can be a bit organic and you can work with it as you go and as you get to know the needs of the different plant families, which is fun to do. Getting to know their seasonal and nutritional requirements is really important. And then just give it a go in your garden. So you can either separate your garden into different growing sections, or you can have different beds for different seasonal growing. Okay, that's one way to do it, I suppose. And then, like I said, it's about getting to know those plant requirements. There's a couple of basic rules, and that is try not to follow one particular family of plants with the same family next season. And also, it's really about trying not to follow a heavy feeder with another heavy feeder. So that's getting to know those plants, like I said, and really moving these crops around is a great way to interrupt those pest and disease cycles in your soil. Okay, things like tomatoes are particularly vulnerable to that build-up of pest and diseases, and really shouldn't be grown in the same spot year after year. Move them around a little bit. Also, putting in a green manure crop once in that cycle of rotation is really important too. And green manure crops are really fun and easy. They're just fast growing plants. They usually involve planting a legume, which is a nitrogen fixing plant like beans or peas or all sorts of things, with another sort of annual bulky grass. And it's really, you're just cutting it down, leaving it on the surface to build up your soil. So it's just about learning what goes where at what time. And like I said, it can be fluid and organic, and you can work it out as you go along. Check out our resources online. We've got a great link to some really simple systems there that might help you get started. So just give it a go.